Morning, students. Yesterday, in our previous class, I have explained you question number 1, and question number 2, 3, and 4 are based upon same description as I explained in our previous class. So we'll continue with question number 5. That is, write down the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Now, how to solve? The guidelines are, for any number to become divisible by 3, the sum of all the digits must be a multiple of 3. So, the step 1 is to add all the digits of the number and check if sum of all digits is a multiple of 3 or not. If it is a multiple of 3, then just put 0 in the blank space, and if it is not, then put a number that is required to make the sum equals to a multiple of 3. For example, we are provided with a blank 6, 7, 2, 4. As I explained you just now, we will find the sum of the digits. That is 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus blank. We will get 19. Now, after 19, the next number is 21, which is multiple of 3. So, 2 is required to make 19 21. 19 to convert into 21. So the blank space will be filled by the digit 2, and the required number will become 26724. Alright. Question number 6. There are only 2 parts in each question, so I have solved one from my side, and second one I had left for you so that you can practice. Okay. Question number 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. As per the criteria I have explained you in our previous classes, that to determine whether a number is divisible by 11 or not, it should be like that: sum of the digits at odd place values minus sum of digits at even place values will be equal to either 0 or a multiple of 11. See, this is not a hard and fast rule that you have to calculate, you have to put odd place values, sum of odd place value over here and sum of even place value. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हर बार आपको ऑड प्लेस वैल्यू के सम से ही इवन प्लेस वैल्यू के सम को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. इट्स अ डायनेमिक डिसीजन. यू हैव टू फाइंड कि किसका सम ज़्यादा आ रहा है. जिसका भी सम ज़्यादा आएगा उसको आपको लेफ्ट में रखना है और उससे कम वाले को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखना है. दैट इज़ द थिंग. सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड लेटर कि यू हैव प्लेस्ड in a different way. Okay. So step 1 is to calculate the sum of digits at odd and even place values. Calculate the difference between them. If it is 0 or a multiple of 11, then put 0 in a blank space, and if the difference is neither 0 and nor a multiple of 11, then just put a number in a blank space that satisfies the condition. Likewise, I've got 9, 2, 3, 8, 9. I'll put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 3 and 5 will represent odd place values, and 2, 4 and 6 will represent even place values. I'll find out the sum of even and odd place values separately. Like 2, 4 and 6 place values will sum up with 7 plus blank, and sum of odd place value, that is 1, 3 and 5, will end up with 9 plus 3 plus 2, that is 14. Now sum of numbers at even place values minus sum of numbers at odd place values is equal to difference. Just now I told you this is not a hard and fast rule. आपको dynamically देखना पड़ेगा because 17 is greater than 14, so I have put 17 plus blank over here and 14 over here, because I cannot subtract 17 from 14. So I have to keep 17 over here, and that's why I have calculated it separately so that you can justify dynamically over here कि हमको बड़ा नंबर ही लेफ्ट में रखना है ताकि हम छोटे नंबर को उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सके. डोंट मेक अ रटिफिकेशन लाइक दैट कि सर आपने यहाँ पे पहले ऑड प्लेस वैल्यू लिखवाया था, नाउ यू आर टेलिंग वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इवन ऑड प्लेस वैल्यू फ्रॉम इवन प्लेस वैल्यू. दिस इज नो सच अ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल. इट इज़ नॉट अ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल. ओके, यू हैव टू जस्टिफाई डायनेमिकली कि किसका सम ज़्यादा आ रहा है, उसको आपको लेफ्ट में प्लेस करना है. सेकेंड, now as per the addition criteria we cannot obtain 0 in this context. You cannot obtain 0, so try to find a result that is a multiple of 11. So according to that, I'll put 8 over here, because if I put 8 over, it will result me 25, and 25 minus 14 will get result, the nearest is 11, and 11 is a multiple of 11. So therefore a required digit in blank space will be 8, and the number so obtained will be 9 2 8 3 8 9. All right, now we are starting exercise 3.4. It's a very simple exercise regarding common factors and common multiples. The question number 1 is find the common factors of. Today I'll solve just 2 parts, and the rest of the parts we will discuss in the next class. Okay. 20 and 28, find the common factors. Now how to solve? The guideline is write the factors of both the numbers separately, circle the common ones and write them separately. Okay. Now if you there's a note that if no number is common, write 1 as a common factor, because 1 is a common divisor of all numbers. Now, so separately writing the factors, that is factors of 20 are 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. Factors of 28 are 28 is factors of 28 are 1 2 4 7 and 14 and 28, and the common ones are 1 2 4, and so therefore common factors of 20 and 28 20 and 28 are 1 2 and 4. This is the required answer. Secondly, the D part, because as the student judges कि सर ये बड़ा number है, इसको solve करके दिखाओ, that's why I have taken the D part, 56 and 120. So the factors of 56 are 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 56, and the factors of 120 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 10 12 15 20 24 30 40 60 and 120 itself. So the common factors are only 4 1 2 4 and 8. Therefore the required answer is common factors of 56 and 120 are 1 2 and 4. Now the next questions will be regarding common multiples, and that will continue in our next classes. Okay, so by next class I'll try to complete the exercise, but the pattern changes. I think there are some word problems also there, so we'll take them up together by tomorrow in our next class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, students.